stop scrolling right now. If you are confused about which LG TV to buy, LED, NanoCell, or OLED, this video will save your money, your time, and your peace of mind. In the next 10 minutes, I will break down the real differences, hidden tricks, and practical buying solutions that most salespeople never explain. This video is created using AI, but every single point is 100% effective, realistic, and field-tested from real user experiences. Watch till the end, and you will be able to choose the perfect LG TV for your own needs without guessing. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest tech solutions. Now let us start from the basics so everyone can clearly understand. LG TV lineup is mainly divided into 3 major display technologies. These are LED, NanoCell, and OLED. All 3 are very different in how they produce picture, color, brightness, and long-term performance. First, let us talk about LG LED TVs. LG LED TVs are actually LCD panels with LED backlight. This is important to understand because LED does not mean self-lighting pixels. In LG LED TVs, light comes from behind the screen and passes through liquid crystal layers. Because of this, black color is not truly black. It is more like dark gray in most models. LG LED TVs are best for budget users. If you watch cable TV, news, sports, or YouTube casually, LED is enough. These TVs are also good for bright rooms. If your room has a lot of sunlight, LED TVs handle brightness better than cheap OLED alternatives. Now here's a real-world trick many users do not know. Always check whether the LG LED TV has direct LED or edge LED. Direct LED gives more even brightness. Edge LED is thinner but can cause light bleeding from corners. If you see clouding in dark scenes, that is edge LED limitation. Another important trick is refresh rate. Many LG LED TVs advertise motion rate 100 or motion rate 200. This is marketing. Check native refresh rate instead. If it says 50 Hz or 60 Hz, that is standard. For gaming or fast sports, look for 120 Hz models. Now let us move to LG NanoCell TVs. NanoCell is still LED technology but improved. LG adds a nanoparticle layer to filter colors. This improves color accuracy and viewing angles. NanoCell TVs are positioned in mid-range pricing. They are better than normal LED, but not as perfect as OLED. If you watch movies, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Disney+, NanoCell gives better colors. Skin tones look more natural. Green and red colors are less oversaturated. Here's a very important NanoCell buying trick. Not all NanoCell TVs are equal. Lower models use IPS panels. IPS panels have wide viewing angles but poor contrast. If you watch TV in a dark room, blacks will look gray. Higher NanoCell models use local dimming. Local dimming improves black levels slightly. Still, do not expect OLED level black. Gaming users love NanoCell because of low input lag. If you own PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, NanoCell is a safer budget gaming choice. Look for HDMI 2.1 ports. HDMI 2.1 supports 4K at 120 Hz. Now we reach the king, LG OLED TVs. OLED means organic light emitting diode. Every pixel lights itself. There is no backlight. This changes everything. OLED TVs produce true black. When a pixel is off, it is completely off. This gives infinite contrast. Movies look cinematic. HDR content looks stunning. If you watch movies at night with lights off, OLED is unmatched. Starfields, shadows, and dark scenes look realistic. Now let us talk about burn-in, because everyone asks this. Yes, OLED can burn in, but modern LG OLED TVs have strong protection systems. Pixel shift, logo dimming, and screen refresh reduce burn-in risk heavily. Normal mixed usage will not cause burn-in. Here is a practical burn-in safety trick. Avoid keeping news channels with static logos for 8 hours daily. Enable screensaver, go to settings, then go to general, then OLED care, then screen move, then turn it on. Another important OLED tip is brightness. OLED is not as bright as LED in sunlight rooms. If your room is very bright, LED or NanoCell may be better. Now let us compare sound quality briefly. Most LG TVs have average speakers. OLED models usually sound slightly better. Still, do not expect cinema sound. A soundbar will always improve experience. Smart features are same across LG TVs. All use WebOS. WebOS is smooth and user-friendly. App support is strong. Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Apple TV work smoothly. Here is a hidden WebOS trick. Disable power saving to improve brightness. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then set it to off. Another important trick is picture mode. Avoid vivid mode. Use cinema or filmmaker mode for movies. Use game mode for gaming. Now let us talk about who should buy what. If you are on tight budget, buy LG LED. If you want better colors and gaming performance, buy NanoCell. If you want best movie experience and premium quality, buy OLED. Never buy TV only based on store demo. Store lights are very bright. OLED advantages are not visible there. Always check model year. Older models may lack HDMI 2.1. Check official LG website before buying. One more practical buying tip: do not overspend on resolution. 4K is enough. 8K content is almost non-existent. Now, final advice: measure your room size. Choose correct screen size. Bigger is not always better if you sit too close. This video was designed to give you real solutions, not marketing talk. If you still feel confused, comment your room size, usage, and budget. I will help you choose the best LG TV personally within 1 hour. If this video helped you like this video, share it with friends who are planning to buy a TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest tech guidance. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.